So what is the equation of a linear function that is perpendicular? So what is the equation? So what is the equation? Oh, I'll make that a little bit nicer. Of a linear function that is perpendicular to f of x equals 2 over 3x minus 1 and goes through 6, negative 4. So the new one goes through 6, negative 4. So 6, well, before we do that, let's graph this one. So 2 over 3, x minus 1. Minus 1, 2 over 3, 2 over 3, 2 over 3. And negative 2, negative 3, negative 2, negative 3. All right, cool. And our new one goes through 6, negative 4. So 6, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we want, oh, this 6, negative 4. We want this line that we're going to draw to be exactly like perpendicular. So it creates a bunch of 90-degree angles. So instead of using 2 over 3, we're going to flip this. So I'm going to write 2 over 3 here. Well, 2 over 3 here. I'm going to turn this into, since it's positive, I'm going to make it negative. Since it's 2 over 3, I'm going to make it 3 over 2. So negative 3 over 2. So down 3, right 2. Down 3, right 2. We can tell 1, 2, 3, left 2. 1, 2, 3, left 2. Now, they don't intersect at like a nice perfect point, but they will form 90-degree angles. I will attempt to do this without like a line tool or something. Okay, this is what's going to make it more difficult for me. So okay, not too bad, not too shabby, right? 9 degrees, 9 degrees, 9 degrees. So let's write the equation of this line. So the y-intercept was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm glad I wrote that one. I forgot to just point it out earlier. Get it? Point it out. Anyways, so y equals, well, a plus 5. And then this one was negative 3 over 2. Cool. Perpendicular. Now let's act like we don't have that. Like we don't have a graph, to do it on. So we know that our line, we know that the m has to be the opposite of this, so negative 3 over 2. And we know that we have to use 6, negative 4. My x and y. So x is 6, y is negative 4. And then we have plus b. Okay, so a negative times a positive. Let me make that negative a little better. Okay, so a negative times a positive is a negative. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And we have negative 9, so we need to add 9 to find out what b is. And b equals negative 4 plus 9. 9 minus 4 is positive 5. Oh, let's write that better. So b equals 5. So remember that this is my new slope, or this, yeah, and this is the y-intercept. So y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 5 because it's positive. All right, one more. So what is the equation of the linear function? So what's the equation of the linear function that is perpendicular to fx equals negative 3x minus 8 and goes through, whoa, I need to actually make that. I couldn't see it. Oh, I did it again. There we go. Linear function. It goes through 6, 7. So perpendicular to this. So let's graph this first. So minus 8. And we go negative 3 over 1. So down 3, right 1. Somewhere right there. Well, up 3, left 1. Up 3, left 1. Up 3, left 1. Up 3, left 1. And it keeps going. I think I'll be fine. So it goes through 6, 7. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 6, 7. All right, so I need to do the opposite of negative 3 over 1. So the old one was negative 3 over 1. And I need to change it to a positive 1 over 3. Change it. Okay. So 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Just to clarify, remember it was negative, so it needs to be positive. It was 3 over 1, so we flip it 1 over 3. So 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 3. We need the y-intercept, so we got to go this way. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Oh, unsuccessful. Good enough, sort of. Actually, let me extend this one. Okay. This going downward is more difficult for me. Okay. Remember that these are supposed to be 90-degree angles. Okay. So our equation is, well, my y-intercept is 0, 5. So y equals something plus 5. And then, well, I'll put that like that. Okay. I think I just need to rewrite that 0, 5. It looks like too far over here. Okay. All right. And so y equals and plus 5. Remember that this was negative 3 over 1, but I need to go up 1 over 3. Cool. Now let's go ahead and pretend that we don't have this and see what we would do. So y equals mx plus b is what we're going for. And we need to use 6, 7, 6, 7. Let's see, 6, 7. Oh, 6, 7 is right here. So, but before we do that, let's make this slope correct. So the m needs to be not negative 3 over 1, but 1 over 3. And the x needs to be 6. Well, we have an x and it's 6. And it goes with a y, that is 7. Oh, I know why I didn't have to worry about the 4, because I usually wrote this out. 6, 7, okay? And we don't know what the y-intercept is. So 1 times 6 is 6, divided by 3 is 2. And then minus 2. B equals 5, which is b equals 5. So that 1 over 3 is my new slope, positive 1 over 3, and my y-intercept is 5. So y equals 1 over 3x plus 5. And it matches the other one because it should be the same answer. And that is it. Thank you.